I always have so many candy canes around this time of year, so I wanted to share some fun and festive ways to use them. Stir and melt a mini candy cane into your hot cocoa to get that perfect hint of peppermint. Take a lightly crushed mini candy cane and blend it into a protein shake. Top off some of my Yum Yum brownie muffins or any chocolate cupcakes with crushed candy canes for some holiday flair. Or why not sprinkle some into your yogurt? Some easy, perfect holiday fun. For more hacks and recipes, don't forget to sign up for my free daily emails.